if else statements. We are trying to understand if else statement, how to write if else statements. Now, generally, if I have statement, how they are going to execute. I wrote a statement like this: system.debug. Now, if I execute, how they are going to execute? 1, 2, 3, 4. When I execute this, order of execution is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the statements are running. But what I am saying is, I don't want to run the statement by default. I have a condition. Only when the condition is met, I want the statements to run. By default, how they are running? 1, 2, 3, 4, all the statements are running. Now I am saying, don't run the statements by default. I have a condition. So I'm going to say statement 1, statement 1, statement 2, if condition, statement 3, statement 4. So what I am saying, boss, don't run the statements directly. 3 and 4 should be executed only when the given condition is true. I am going to define the condition. Only when the given condition is true, I am going to run the statement 3, 4. So what will happen in this case? If the condition is true, then it is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If the condition is false, I'm going to get 1, 2, 5, 6. Now I don't want all the statements to run. I am going to mention a condition. If the condition is true, run the statements. If the condition is false, don't run the statements. So if now sequence of execution is there, I want to break the sequence based on the condition. I want to break the sequence based on the condition. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But I want to break it based on the condition. I'm going to take it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 1, 2, 5, 6 or 1, 2, 5, 6. 1, 2, 5, 6. Are you getting my point here? Okay. Now, the major question here is, how do you write a condition? How you write a condition? So, if you want to write a condition, we need to look at the operators. What are the operators we have? Relation operators. Less than, greater than, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, right? Not equal to. Now, here we have double equal to, left double equal to, right. It checks whether left side value equals to if both are equal, left equal to right, left equal right. It checks, it will check whether left side value equal to right side value. It will check whether left side value equal to right side value. If both are equal, it will return true. If both are equal, it will return true. So let us see here. We have to give name double equal to the value of name is Wipro. It will give you true. Industry equals to banking. Rating equals to hot. Then we are giving salary equals to then we have salary greater than so double equal to it verifies whether both the values are same or not. Value of this variable is Wipro or not. Comparison. Rating not equals to rating not equals to wow. Then now let us see logical operators. What are the logical operators we have? We have and or not and or not and or not logical operators and or not. Banking yes. Banking. And rating equals to industry name equal to warm and name equal to Wipro and annual revenue less than we have name equal to Wipro and annual revenue less than. So we are applying logical operator. If you want to compare two or more statements, condition 1 and condition 2. Lead source web or lead source is web or email. Bar email. Lead source equal to web or lead source equal to email. Lead source equal to web or lead source equal to email. Now stage name not closed one or a closed box. Now you define stage name not equals to closed one Are you getting my point? So what is this? Logical operators and relational operators. At the end of the game, when you write the condition, it will be true or false. Now similarly we have name is not blank, not null. Name is not blank or not null, not equal to blank, or name not equal to blank, not equal to null. Then write some conditions here. Close date and 10 days before. Close date equal to and no. Right, boss? So I'm giving this expecting you will write. People are watching like a movie. First name is Kumar, last name is. Write these conditions.
Can I also tell when to use uppercase and lowercase while we think?
You see, variable names are always in the lower camel. Whenever you are defining a variable name, always it is in the lower camel. Method names, lower camel. We have given this when to use in the definitions of identifier. At the time of giving the definitions of identifier, I have given when to write the uppercase, when to write the lower case, when to write the lower camel, when to write the upper camel. Strictly we have to obey those rules. Okay. Right, boss. That's all from my end. We'll continue tomorrow. Today's session is delayed.